In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start jamming in FigJam. We'll begin right inside a FigJam board, where you can quickly turn ideas into something visual. The simplest way to start is by adding content directly to the canvas. Choose the square shape from the toolbar, click and drag to draw it, then start typing. FigJam lets you add text right inside the shape. Adjust the size by pulling the corners and tweak the fill color, border, and text style to make your message stand out. Squares are great for creating clear callouts, section headers, or quick labels that organize your thinking. If you prefer a more free-form feel, add sticky notes instead. Select the sticky note tool, pick a color that matches your category or mood, and click anywhere on the canvas to place it. Type your thought as a short, punchy phrase. Sticky notes shine during brainstorming sessions because they're easy to move around, cluster into themes, and rearrange as your ideas evolve. Don't worry about perfection. Just get thoughts out of your head and onto the board. You can always refine later by resizing notes, aligning them, and cleaning up the layout. When you want a head start with structure, templates are your best friend. Look to the top right of FigJam and click the template icon to open the gallery. This is especially helpful when you're running a workshop, doing a retrospective, planning a project, or mapping a journey, and need a proven format. Browse the categories to see common frameworks curated for different activities, and use search to narrow down what you need. As you preview options, consider how much guidance or flexibility you want. Some templates are highly structured, while others leave more room for customization. Once you've found a template that fits, click Add Template. FigJam will drop it right onto your canvas, ready to go. From there, you can reposition it, scale it to match your workspace, and remove any sample content so you can make it your own. Start typing directly on sticky notes and headings, and add or duplicate elements as your team contributes. Mix and match. It's perfectly fine to combine your own shapes and sticky notes with the template so the flow suits your session. That's it. Start by drawing a square, or placing sticky notes to capture ideas quickly, or jumpstart your session with a template by clicking the icon, browsing the gallery, and adding it to your board. With these options, you can go from blank canvas to productive jam in minutes.